Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I finally carved out some time to unstuff my monthly challenges from 2022. Let's see how much we saved. So this was so fun to do. This was my first year completing these. I actually created these last year. And they went crazy. Like, people sell them out every time I launch them. So I know I'm not the only person who finished these last year. So definitely leave me a note in the comments letting me know how much you were able to save. First, for January of 2022, looks like we were able to save $230. And I did the high income version of these challenges. So we've got for February, looks like we were able to save $261 for February. Definitely let me know what you guys were able to save. So we have March, and I saved $171. Where's the one? Okay. Well, looks like we have $228 for April. And looks like we actually have $230. So I'm just gonna add one since we didn't have $1 in the other one. So 220 and 30. Okay, for May, looks like we have 180. Yep. Okay, 150, 78. For the month of June, we have 267. Okay, 100, 200. 60, 70, so 270. For July, looks like we had $210. So we have 10, 20, 40, 60, 81, 200. So looks like we documented $207 for August. So we have 100, 150, 170, 190, 210. Whoa, that's way more. So 150, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. So 250, 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257. So we actually added an extra 50 after I wrote down that total. What's going on with that one? I used to add some money from my YouTube checks to these. September, which I think was one of my largest months, which was one of our simpler challenges, says 310. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, so 270 and 40 more dollars. So for the month of October, we documented that we saved this was my biggest month, $950. I remember that month. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 950. Damn. So $425. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 420, 425. We were able to save $410. So 100, 200, 300, 400, and 10. So according to my very first math, looks like we saved $2,570. But I'm going to go back real quick and double check. So 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000, 21, 22. So we've got 2,200 to start with. 51, 52, 53, 54, 450. So plus 450. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89. So $900 in 20s. Oh yeah, I was definitely off. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. $100 in 10s. 5s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got $8 in ones. Oh shit, we were way off. $3,866 in our monthly savings challenges. Are you fucking kidding me? Bruh. Jesus, almost $4,000. That's insane. That is insane. That is much more than I thought was going to be in here. So as far as plans for this money, it is definitely going to go towards my new home that I'm hoping to purchase this year. Y'all know I saved that money from the apartment binder last year, but fully furnishing a new home, closing costs, escrow, taxes, all that stuff. I just want to be really prepared, as well as my goal to save $100,000 to put in a high yield savings account for the very worst rainy day possible. Yeah. So definitely let me know what you were able to save, how you did your challenges. I love to read y'all's success stories. I really do. They keep me going. Well, that's all I have, y'all. Stay encouraged. I hope your savings challenges paid off and you were able to do something positive with it at the end of the year. These are available again on the site. We just got our envelopes back. So if you're wanting to start, you can catch up on January. That's really not a high number month. So you can catch up. We'll get it out to you ASAP. And then go ahead and finish out the rest of the year with us, because like I said, I will be doing this one again. So that's all I have for you today, you guys. We all have a really good week. I will get a cash stuffing out here soon. I know I'm one behind, so it may be double. And that's all I have. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.